Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is part 3 of this, really. We're trying to eliminate the spacing difference between these are closer, further apart. So I'm going to just kind of create this to show you what's going on. And if you take these and even do it on a straight line, they're going to be further apart. So we're going to select both these. Let me see how long this line is. 12.45. We're going to find out how long this curve is. Go up to Windows, Dockers, and Properties. And it is 11.46. That's close enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this and this. Go up to Effect. And this isn't a perfect solution, but it'll help. So you see on a straight line, it does the same thing. But if we select it all and go to Object and break them all apart and get rid of our line, then this is still a blend, so we need to break it apart. We want individual object. Now if you take this and open up your Align and Distribute Docker, which is in our Windows Dockers Align and Distribute, and pick this right here, it spaced them all apart exactly the same. Now I'm going to group them together, Control G. I'm actually going to rotate it 90 degrees. And I am going to take my artistic media tool and go right here to the brush and save this. And I'm just going to call it 1, 2, 3, 5. And then select on your item and then just change your width. And it's got them spaced out equally. Now you might have to change your width. And it's a little bit different because we've got a little bit of a curve to it, but you could change it, make them a little thicker, make them a little thinner, and then just do what we did before with Control D to make a duplicate and mirror this down. And you get the same effect as we did. And it's a totally different look because of the fact that now my new ones are spaced out equally where they don't go from big to bigger spaces. Every place is exactly same apart. I think that's a pretty cool way to do it. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.